everybody. Welcome to my channel. I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds. I am participating with the Scavenger Hunt. There's a list of, I think, 12 items. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sorry. 15 items that you're supposed to look for in your stash and share the paintings you have. This was a tough one. I have my stash in totes, so I had to pull some out and really look at some of them. And there's 1 or 2 items that I know for a fact is not in here. But I'll show you what I got. The first category, now I'm going to tag everybody in it, in this video. I am doing this because of a video I had seen by, let me get her name so I don't mess her name up. Subscribers. It is Bits, Bops, and Diamond Painting. Yeah, let me show you what she only has 288 subscribers, so let's go share her. Oh, I forgot the camera's over here. That's her channel name. So her son helps with the scavenger hunt. All right, let me go back to my notes. All right, first one is jewelry. This one, I was torn between jewelry or a hat. And flowers, but first we're going to do jewelry. So, here we go. Try not to look at these yet. Okay, we're looking at this one. See her earrings? This has jewelry. Yes, it qualifies. Madame Chic by Diamond Art Club. It has jewelry. Check. Now, you're going to hear a plop because I'm just going to drop them on the floor. All right, number 2 is books. There are books. Yes, there are. I was so glad I found one with books. I'm a librarian, retired librarian. I have to have one with books. There you go. And it's a partial. So this one will be done fairly quick. That is books. The next one is makeup. Now, I'm probably twisting this a little bit, but I mean, I'm going with it. Threads of the universe. I'm going to say there's eyeshadow on her eyes. Yeah, just go with me, guys. There's eyeshadow on her eyes. And maybe when I kit it up, I can also put a little, when I complete her face, maybe I'll put a little bit of pink fairy dust in her lips for lipstick. But I might not. Threads of the Universe for makeup by Diamond Art Club, Scott Howden. All right, next, we got a cup. Well, hold on. There is a cup. Yep, there's a cup by Camelot, which is, I believe this is a Diamond Dot company. Okay, maybe not. Just kidding. Just kidding, Camelot. This is from Camelot. And there's my cup. See what I did there? I used the same canvas twice. Got to do what I got to do. Next is a flower. Well, this horse has got flowers in it. So that is flowers. This is a Cracker Barrel canvas. This is Majestic Horse by Craft Buddy. It is a crystal art scroll kit. It's called a scroll kit because it has the two, it's got a frame, and it's not a magnetic frame. Like Make Market has magnetic frames. This is not magnetic. The canvas actually slides in, and I think it's glued with some kind of crazy glue or something. You'll see, as you saw on the video on Friday, how that is in. So Majestic Horse is my choice for flowers. Next is the cat. Diamond Art Club, Oreo, cat. Yep, that is a cat. Simple enough. And this is by Eve Izette. And it's a really small one. It's a 6.7 inches by 6.7 inches. So it's really small, guys. Next is a hat. Well, we have Stitch in his Christmas hat. Here are the diamonds for that kit. I do have that kit. I just haven't got it completed yet. I store my diamonds separately from my kit because I can never get these diamonds back in the bags. So this is a Diamond Art Club kit. It is Stitch, and he's wearing a hat. The next one is a plant. So we're going with this one. There we go. The holly right there. Cardinal Christmas. And I'm looking to do this one with Jeannie Bushnell. She's doing a cardinal event at some point. I don't know when, but I'm ready. Let me know when you're doing it, Jeannie. Let me know, because I'm ready. All right, the next one is instrument. I got nothing. I got nothing, guys. Nope. I do have some minis. I just remembered. I have minis. But they are put away in a tote, and it would take me too long to get them out. But they're from Make Market, and they're a set of 6 instruments. There's a piano, a drum set, a guitar, a guitar, a violin, a trumpet, I believe. And I don't remember what the other one is. But I have that. So there, I have instrument. And then moon. Well, you see it. Evening Stroll by Deborah Malcolm. There's a big old moon right there. It's Evening Stroll. I'm calling that a moon. It might be a sun. It might be the sun going down, but it's called Evening Stroll, so that's the moon. That's what I'm going with. Yep. That's my interpretation. That was moon. And then we have a window. I looked and looked. I have canvases where you're sitting on a porch and you're looking out by Diamond Dotz. That could be taken as a window, but in the last one, the last tote, I found one with windows. I did. No, I didn't want you to fall down. This one has got some windows. It has a lot of windows. Qualifies. Windows. It's got windows in the trolley, windows in the buildings. Guys, it has windows. I can't believe I had one with windows. Yay! By Make Market. And this one's actually called Streetcar. Their names on the Make Market kits are on the back. And if you look, no, this one doesn't have it. Make Market started putting on the sides, whether it was round or square drill, so you could look just by looking at the sides. But this one is called Streetcar. Yep. So that's windows. Our next one is Redhead. I ain't got it. No Redhead. Nothing. Nope. No Redhead. I ain't got it. Sorry, guys. And a weapon. All right. You have to... Okay. Here we go. Here's my unicorn. You see that horn? That's a weapon. I consider that a weapon. So that is a weapon. It is by Diamond Dotz. It is called Rainbow Unicorn. Weapon. Yep. That is a weapon. My next one is Mythical Creatures. It could be the unicorn also. But I have one that is a mythical creature. Hold on, because it fell. Ugh. Mythical creature. There is my gnome. I have not seen a gnome walking around anywhere. If you have, please let me know. I've seen them in gardens, but they're usually statues. So I don't think gnomes are real creatures. If they are, and you know of one, please let me know. So there is my gnome, my mythical creature. And this one is a budget-friendly. I have not opened it yet, but he looks pretty cool. This one looks like it would be fun, and the drill field is nice. I might have to do this one. Maybe I'll do this one for Christmas in July, because Diamond Grandma usually does a Christmas in July. So maybe I'll do this one then. Yeah. And the last one is food. I'm doing this for Diamonds and Stuff. Her food event for May. Food. That cupcake is food. And the lollipop is food. And gumballs. They're not really food, but you chew them. So that would be food. And the cupcakes and the lollipop by Make Market, the name of this kit is Dessert Duo. Dessert Duo. And they're partials. And this one is called Gumballs. And this one is a full drill. you do the entire picture. So, yeah. I mean, when I was a kid, I used to swallow my gum. That would make it food, right? Because you chew it and then you swallow. So that would make it food. So, yeah. So there's my gumball machine and my cupcakes. Well, actually, it's called Dessert Duo. So that is my 12 or 15 minus, well, I told you I do have an instrument. I just thought of it last minute. It's a couple of minis by Make Market. So I did not have the Redhead. And technically, did I have the weapon? Probably not. So I had all of them, we'll say, but 2. Unless you do count the unicorn's horn as a weapon. I mean, come on. It could be. So take this list and let me see yours. Tag me in your video, and as many as you have, just do it. It's fun. It makes you revisit how many canvases you actually have. I know it did me. And yeah, we won't talk about that part. Nah, we won't talk about that part because, I mean, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 right here. 13. Yeah, and then Threads of the Universe. Well, that's counted, that one. And then I'm working on my Meadow Wanderer by Fallon Gems still. Don't forget, I do have an affiliate code for Fallon Gems. 30% off your entire order. My code is always going to be at the bottom. My email's at the bottom. Fallon Gems has some pretty nice stuff, so go check them out. You can pick round or square. Check out their minis though. Her minis are really neat, and they're bigger than, they're probably 8x10s, maybe a little bit smaller. But I have completed one of their minis. They're cute, they're fast, and they come with fairy dust, guys. They come with fairy dust or ABs. I don't remember which one, but they do come with special drills. So go check them out. All right, that's what I have, my scavenger hunt. I hope you liked it. And remember, always be kind to everyone